So I'm now at row 18 and I will make a new pointy section. So it's gonna flow nicely from the existing one here, and the last 3 chain sections I'll leave as they are. That way I get the effect that I want, and I'll show you here so you get an even and symmetrical zigzag pattern, as you can see. And on the top comes a nice ending that I will also show you so that we finish our scarf. It's gonna get wider and wider on the side, and in order to stop that with the zigzag instead of a straight side edge, I'll show you what to do. Okay, so we will do 4 chains to turn. Around the first chain section, we do a bundle, as always, 3 trebles done together. Then we do a chain and a treble between the following 2 bundles. Chain and the bundle between the next 2 ones. Again, a chain and the treble between the following 2 bundles, and the chain and the bundle around the following 3 chains. Chain and treble, and again chain and treble. And you keep working this way until the end of the row. So we will again leave some stitches undone so that we have the zigzag that we want. So it of course depends on your bobble spool, but I find that for the last section you will need almost a complete color section out of your spool. Here you should have an odd number of bundles. So not an even number. You need to finish with an odd number this time, so that's a bit different than usual. So whether you stop here or here doesn't matter as long as you have an odd number of bundles total. That ensures a symmetrical and neat result. I won't be doing the whole row in the video. I'll just take care about the number of bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'll do one more. And then we have 7 total, and you'll have a lot more in the end, of course. So this is the first row for the last pointy section. So let's turn with 2 chains. And here into the first bundle we can do 2 trebles done together. Then again a bundle. And now we will do a bundle in the opposite direction, so 2 chains first, and then into the spot where the 2 chains start, we go through and take the thread through 2 loops. So 2 trebles as 1 here. And then once again into the same spot we do a new bundle. So I mean the same spot where you did your first bundle. And that's what it looks like then. Here is the beginning bundle, then here the second one, and then the horizontal bundle. And here the bundle that goes into the same spot again. Now we do a bundle into the following one. So I have here for the first point a bundle, 2 bundles into the same spot, and a bundle into the following bundle of the last row. And now I'll finish this point separately. So I'll do 2 chains for the height and I'll turn. I'll do 2 trebles together into the first bundle and a bundle into the last existing one. The horizontal one is exactly in the middle, and now I'll again do 2 chains to turn and I'll do 2 trebles together into the first treble. Now I want to go down for the point, and for that I'll do each row with slip stitches. There we go. And into the same spot, just like the last bundle, we do another slip stitch. And for the next stitch, we do 2 chains and 2 trebles then together into the same spot like the 2 chains. So here, into the following bundle, we do a new one, a horizontal one. So out of 2 chains and 2 trebles done together, all into the same spot, and then another bundle into the same spot. And a bundle into the following one. Here is the first point, and for the second I again have a single bundle, then another one in the same spot and a single one. And now we climb up again, so 2 chains for the height, turn, and do 2 trebles together into the first bundle. and here a bundle, so we're skipping the horizontal one and we are doing another regular bundle. Then 2 chains for the height, turn, and into the bundle we do 2 trebles together. And then again a chain and 2 slip stitches on the side, same with all of the rows. This one too. And a last slip stitch into the same spot as the single bundle of the last row. Then again 2 chains for the height and 2 trebles together. The next bundle gets a new one, a horizontal one, and another bundle. Into the next bundle, and this is the last one. That's why you need an odd number of them. So here we do another bundle. One single one, 2 in the same spot with the horizontal, and then 2. So now turn with 2 chains for the height. Into the first bundle we do 2 trebles together. This we skip, and into the last bundle we do another bundle. The last pointy row starts with 2 chains, then we turn and do 2 trebles together. Here you won't need slip stitches, that's the last point, and you can finish it here. So pull the thread out and weave it in, as well as the beginning thread, and then you will be completely done. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's project. Feel free to let me know in the comment section what you think. If you'd like to see more in the future, you can subscribe and that way stay updated with everything that I post. Thanks for watching, Veronika. Hug. See you next time. Bye!